Industrial and automotive surface preparation comes to the 21st century with the Kimball Midwest Pneumatic Rotary Surface Preparation Tool, a complete system for detailed surface preparation in your shop. Start with the easy-to-use rotary tool. You can mount the handle in 3 positions, and the included 360 swivel air fitting makes the tool precise and easy to use in any orientation. Gears slow the wheels to 3,500 RPM. Plenty of torque for tough jobs. Use the variable speed trigger to select the right speed for your application. Start with the eraser wheel. Use it to remove decals, bumper stickers, reflective tape, and other adhesive-backed stickers from glass or paint without damaging the surface. Mount the stripping wheel to remove paint, gasket residue, adhesives, and other buildup from metal, wood, or plastic. Finally, mount the wire wheel to remove rust and heavy coatings like undercoat or for deburring and edge blending. The profiled bristles of the wire wheel impact and deflect to prevent abrading and gouging the surface. Perfect for pre- and post-weld cleanup. A complete start-to-finish system for your surface preparation needs. The Kimball Midwest Pneumatic Rotary Surface Preparation Tool. To learn more about our pneumatic tools, contact your local Kimball Midwest representative.